And for Bitcoin to do that, which means the market need to still pump. The market need to still go up. Yesterday, when the Bitcoin altcoin index, when they make that massive move yesterday from 147 to 53, I call on our attention that this is crazy. So this morning the thing have dropped to 47, now back to 49. But I'm just waiting for the new day to open. Let's see what is going to be their final, so we can see if altcoin is going to move today again. Because it's looking like a AI. I saw near protocol moving, so it's looking like they want to move this thing to AI. It's looking like they want to go to AI, so that people will start going there early. Because the way the thing is looking, I saw near protocol now moving. At the moment, these guys have actually bypassed everything. They have they have scattered USDT dominance. So 123.39, 123.35. Oh, so that means that um Bitcoin has actually, wait, isn't it Bitcoin have already taken the highs? Probably when I was sleeping. Oh, it have even taken the highs. I don't want to tell 600. Oh, 680 on Binance. I don't even know what will happen. I just sleep. I don't even know say Bitcoin have taken the highs of last all time high. 123,680 now. Okay. That means definitely we might start dumping very soon. But Ethereum is the problem. Ethereum has not even done all time high. That is why I'm not. That's why I'm still worried. Ethereum is yet to pump. Okay, guys, send the request. Come up. Let's talk. Let's make this big chats. It's been a while. Let's make the conversation interesting before we start the analysis in a few hours, a few minutes. That's 20 minutes to go for the new day to open. Okay, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is still bullish. Still bullish. Ethereum and Bitcoin is bullish. Yeah, it's even dumping. Near protocol is dumping. Why? Why? Let me even check. Fatcoin is pumping. Let me check. Since yesterday, Enna has been dancing since yesterday until now. Let me check virtual. If most info, what's up? Let's see if AI, other AI, if they're about to move. Virtual is looking virtual is looking good for today, but let them close first. I think virtual will pump today. Near protocol will pump as well. I think these guys might take attention to AI. AI is looking good for a movement. I think this pump might be for AI. This Bitcoin pump might be for AI to move. Because at the moment, AI is looking nice on the daily for a move. Sorry guys, we have few minutes to, to the closing of the daily. So we can start. Victor Father, what's up? Why you people don't talk?
Am I loud and clear?
Go ahead.
It's actually raining in my city, maybe, so make sure you are ready. I just want to ask a question. I've seen as if Bitcoin still have some liquidity to take out around 124, around 124, 600 thereabouts. Does that mean that we are likely to have a new all-time high before we start dumping?
Well, it depends how the market closes. We even have liquidity even to 128. So it depends how they close. There's liquidity up there because the more the market is pumping, the more people are shorting it. So why people are shorting it? Liquidity will be going up. But that does not mean that Bitcoin must go and take all the liquidity now. Market still have the main bull to do now.
Yeah, that's true. I'm just curious, Neil, because people want to go and enter short now and then they start pumping again. Like you said in your introduction, like these people, like Tom and his family, they are really manipulating this market.
Yeah, they want to.
So sometimes what do you see, what the chart may be showing, you follow it. You see, reverse will now start playing out. So I'm just trying to be careful.
Yesterday morning, I made an analysis. I saw dump in the market. Market was dumping very crazily. Immediately, the guy tweeted, everything changed. Everything changed. The USDT altcoin that was on a support, everything reversed with speed. No, it was at a resistance. So I was even saying that it's going to bounce back. You see how the thing break resistance? Immediately the guy tweeted, they're pumping money into the market. From 47, the thing pumped to 53. Everywhere became hot yesterday. So those family, they are just doing anything they like in the market.
I actually saw his tweet where he did about altcoins, man. So all those, they are normal paparazzi with it. So I couldn't catch the phone. I'm just patiently waiting for short entry. So
that's it now. If you miss pump, no miss dump.
Exactly. I don't want to miss the dump. That's my point. That's why I see me staying late night to catch the dump.
So we do here.
So thank you very much, my boss. They following us small. Now they help our ministry.
No problem, brother. Milena, go ahead.
Your voices were cracking. That was why I raised my hand. Whether it was from my end only.
My own voice?
Yes, I couldn't hear what you were saying.
But is it okay now?
Yes, it's all clear now.
Okay. These guys has actually broken my trend line, support line broken. Their next targets if they broke here finally, hmm, maybe say Bitcoin go do no all time high. Yo. This is the next. This is the next. But right now, see, they are here. They're almost here now. So which means if if this one does not stop this market, that means they are coming to 3.7. 3.7. Bitcoin might even go close to 120 something, 128 or 129. But all these things, Ethereum is not up to 4.8. That's still my worried. Ethereum is not even 4.8, neither 5,000. I don't know why Bitcoin keep pumping, why Ethereum cannot complete all time high, even the previous all time. Solana yet to complete. Okay, so since people have broken everything, let's take out all the support lines. Congratulations to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is still going to do another all time again. 123,500. If Bitcoin touch 123,800 and something, 800 or 558, it's likely that number, that range used to dump.
So what's only Ethereum? You should do it on ATH. It's the only one that I've put on ATH yet. This cycle and it's still dragging like
Ton, no follow. Ton, no follow.
On that one.
Ton, no follow, my brother. Other people they do something, Ton they sleep.
Don't just stay for one place.
Ton, they are taking our money. They are playing.
Yeah, imagine.
Even Dogecoin that Elon Musk is not even serious anymore on it, he's pumping. But Ton is not doing anything. Because this Elon Musk, it seems he not even care about this this coin anymore.
This time around, it's like it's time to bring up another thing.
You just focus AI now. That's one thing with rich men. They don't care about the people. They only care about bringing new products. Buy my products. The ones they produced before, they don't care. They want
And
to,
they want to get more money.
they just want forward ever. They don't send your papa forward ever. Donald Trump gave us meme coin. The wife gave us meme coin. The one will buy. They abandon it. Bring a stable coin. That one, they don't bring another coin again. Their own is buy. They have one under Solana, one under Ethereum. Their own is buy. They don't even care for any of them. Once after we buy this their new, they will still abandon it again and look for another one.
They still bring another one.
They will look for another business. They will abandon it and bring another business. They just want to make the money from the poor people.
What of the one for his wife? Who they talk about that one?
Oh, that one don't open now.
That one don't die.
Nobody. Who is going to fight them? They don't care. They just do what they like. Take money from the rich, from the poor, and become more richer.
They throw at us, we jump at it.
Just watch out. Now, the day they will list any of this centralized exchange. Will list that coin. See how people are going to rush to buy. Those ones that buy early, they will sell off.
If you see opportunity to buy early, don't go dump on others.
They will just dump on others because the owner of the token will also want to dump on you. Trump and his family want to even dump on the people. So why won't you dump?
But the lot of his wife, they have already dumped on that one, they locked it for only 3 months. So even XRP say, people say no one deal.
XRP is not pumping anymore like before. XRP is tired.
XRP is tired. You know that the creative people.
If XRP wanted to pump by now, it could have done $5 plus because XRP did all-time high very early.
That time he did 3.6 grand.
Most of these guys are Donald Trump friends, so all these things is if I pass you money, you pass me back. I put to this one. They just pass the money. They pump all the token. All the people that supported them during the election. So they just support each other. They pump all their tokens.
They will pump their coins so that they will just cover their.
Once they pump, they put money for you, your token pump, they sell, dump it on the poor people. Carry the money, go to another place, pump again, dump it. So if you fail to take your profit early, they must surely dump on you. The day they will dump it, this Bitcoin, this Bitcoin you're seeing on Ethereum, the day they will dump it, and this month you go see them. They will dump it with now who not take profit, now they pity.
We go dump towards the end of this August. If I get go there, you will still say there's no hope again.
If you fail to take profit, they just keep it on your head, go their way, collect profit. Now, all these things you just disadvantage people that are doing trading for spot backs. Even if they dump on you, you can still be patient during October pump. October, November pump. It will still
Yeah.
rise.
You will still take your foot.
Hmm. But for sport person, they will liquidate you. You are gone.
Take a
So that is why you should take profit.
no matter how close it's better than losing.
Of course. Hold your profit tight.
This Ethereum, it needs to add up at least $50 before it is all-time high, right?
No, it never still reach. All time high is 48, 48, 487, 489. All time high is 4875.
I thought it's all-time high. I thought it's 4,878.
4,877 something. But for at the moment right now, bodily close, Ethereum is at all-time high already. Bodily close. Ethereum is at all-time high. If you take it to line chart, you see that it's already on all-time high. Yeah, because from where the body closes, where what they count as all-time high on the chart, on the line chart. So on the line chart, Ethereum is already on all-time high.
Laptop is wrong.
On the line chart, the all-time high of Ethereum is 4,631. 4,006 something. So it's already at all-time high on the line chart. But I know that this one will want to push less than how much for now? Less than $50. That one is just one spike. It will just do that.
Yeah, one spike. One long candle like that. Bullish candle like those.
Just no. They will do it just now and start dumping the market now. So
That's the way with all the scientists like that. Actually, I was expecting that establish new online start dumping immediately. But it looked like he even wants to do another one.
they will always look like what? Because if they show you now that they are not looking like it, you will shut it.
And you take advantage,
So
yes.
they wouldn't want to show you that they want to dump, and they will show that they want to stick pump. They'll be showing strength. So you can run away.
And they want to put fear in you first. Like the green everywhere.
So
If you people they project say this Dogecoin will reach $4, and are they sure?
which Dogecoin?
Dogecoin, I don't know. Say before the end of the year, it will reach $4.
Never even reach $1, while others are pumping
No.
at $4.
You know, the time itself. Even the last pump in May, June, sir, Dogecoin they just wait.
May first of all, may first reach $1 first. Before we go to 4.
That's why just have to follow the prediction. Yes. sleep in the middle of the road. Just want to see how this market will close.
Ten minutes to close. Mm-hmm. Ethereum.
Yeah, he's just dancing.
This Ethereum. This Ethereum for real. This Ethereum not the pump. It's not pumping. Since Ethereum had ETF with Bitcoin, Bitcoin has done how many all-time high? This guy just did one side, the crow.
I all those news that we hearing this one, but
I don't know where the money is going. I don't know where the money. I don't know where they keep the money. Ethereum ETF inflow $500 and something $million. I know they see where the I don't know where the money they go.
No. By now Ethereum could only reach $7,000.
10,000 plus. 10,000 plus.
All those money they are claiming that they are pumping Ethereum.
Yes, is it not 2 days ago? They said the inflow was $523 million. Then Bitcoin was 550 something thousand. I don't know where the money they go. I mean, they buy online, and they will sell offline.
It's not like they buy it on exchange.
Ethereum just they play. With the level of inflow on Ethereum, it's supposed to challenge Bitcoin so much more.
Bitcoin, if Bitcoin go down eventually, grab all of this, I think it's like Ethereum have lost the dominance back to Bitcoin again.
Yeah. That one is market makers that are doing that one.
These are. What about your friend James now?
James has made it.
He was on the crying left person as the market makers after his life.
No, James is not crying anymore. James has made it. James has made it and leave me.
We all do on just to deceive people. They always beg and say, make it good.
James did adverts. James did this thing for exchanges, and they gave him money.
Since he was doing for exchanges.
James went on a business. They paid him some money.
Good for him. Last, maybe he has not lose any $100,000.
James has made it.
He has deactivated Twitter account and left space.
Okay, 4 minutes to go.
We're waiting patiently. But those Asian people, they should wake up and come and start selling the market.
Mhm.
Yeah, at least people don't come. They should take profit.
And my prayer be that may they come dump the market for me, I beg. I don't tire for it.
Okay. No, I don't want me to collect Donald Trump money. Donald Trump is pumping their backs.
But sorry, we want to come up from now where I do so.
Market is still bullish.
Within the whole swim for that $4. Let it go down, let it go up. This time,
Mhm.
My own for you be say I want hold on for like 5 days for the dump. If from now till 5 days, see will continuously dump. Because I get better margin there.
You don't find entry position where you want to hold up 5.
I did on still short since so.
Yes. Now, this salon I want to become small. I shut down. Yeah. It is just dump this thing, nothing like you want to see.
Okay, new day is open.
Which is the plan to come and very stand. So where are we going from here?
Where are we going from here? That question. That question used to be funny. I remember there was something that happened sometime last year, the last 2 years in the UK, where they eat the student visa money. Anytime they come to live stream, that time they will ask them, where are we going from here? That's what they do the whole money. Nobody will see the money again. It's all the whole 300 something thousand pounds. Go. So I said,
Better the context when I pay for it.
okay. All right. Let's see. Okay, it have dumped to 47. All right. Wait. Did Pengo even pump yesterday? Pengo.
Thank you, guys.
No try anything. Why is it? Why is it
Who
still?
was it?
Why is it still on top? Okay, yeah. Enna did not pump. That's why. All right. Altcoin index has made this was the double bottom of yesterday. This was where it was yesterday. 47%, where it made a double top. Where I saw yesterday, I said the market was supposed to dump. Market was dumping before Donald Trump's son tweeted, and the entire market skyrocketed. So right now, it have fall back to the double top again, and it's already. I think everyone can see that it's already put a head down. So what does that mean? It means that altcoin will not do much today. I hope they will not tweet again very soon. So that's why I always say when market open, let us wait for a while before we enter the market. Let's just give them some small time, because if you enter, they come after you. You are gone. So let's give them.
And then now they wake up.
So let's give Trump and his family small time. So altcoin is looking bearish at the moment from the altcoin charts. It's already first. It have done double top, and it's retracing here. On 233. On the daily. Tutatore is facing a resistance, but the candle is looking bullish. It's looking bullish, so it's likely going to either make a drop from here because of this support level. Either it make a drop from there, or it will continue up trend maybe later. But because of this USDT daily bounce, we're expecting a bounce here. First of all, as market open, we're expecting a pump. Market's supposed to pump for like some minutes, or if not hour. We need to see this guy take this low. We need to see this USDT take this low, come to at least 3.9, 3.98. Need to come and take this low first before we can see a reversal in the market. But that should maybe probably that will be for Bitcoin. Bitcoin might do the pump alone, because I'm not seeing altcoin moving so fast like Bitcoin. So probably Bitcoin might do the pump. Probably might rush to 114, 124. So Bitcoin might rush to 124 and do the pump alone, because Bitcoin dominance is on a very strong support, which is supposed to cause a very wonderful pump today. So at the moment, Bitcoin can do the pump for the now, before the dump will start in the market, because Bitcoin dominance is in a very strong support right now. So we expect to see a bounce from here for Bitcoin dominance. We will have a bounce from here towards the upside on Bitcoin dominance. So USDT is supposed to come down to 3.9, 3.98 or below, for us to have, if we can have a healthy pump, a healthy dump in the market. If not, it's not supposed to pump for now. It's supposed to dump first. It's supposed to dump. Then altcoin index, let's see if it's changing position. Still at the same position, so still going down. It's still at the same position for now. No change for the moment. Liquidity map. Okay, liquidity is going up. So probably coming to take this 114. Just allow Bitcoin to touch 114. 124. 124, 124, sorry. Because it's still bullish. So let Bitcoin go 124. Before we can see any red candle in the market.
There's nothing good person contact.
Yeah, the dump is very close because Bitcoin has even do a new all-time high at the moment. We have already done a new all-time high at the moment, so we have done 700.
747.
So we have done new all-time high. So Bitcoin might likely bounce from here. Might likely bounce any moment from now.
You made a mention of this near pumping today, and it looked like I can see the other altcoin jump to the
Yeah, you can see that near AI is moving. Virtual and all some of the AI is supposed to move today. Expect the AI to move. Bonafide, how are you?
Yeah, bro. Boss, good evening.
This is your boss. How your side?
I'm good. Everything is good. Good news. People that I did call to buy WKC on this space. If you did invest $5 in that coin, and that when I call it, your money have $5 now have turned to $16. You did invest $100. Your $100 now is at $300. So 10, it fly from it has fly from 0. It's about 70. I call it at 0.025. Now it's at 85. At this space, that's one of the altcoin I call that is under BNB chain. So he has made a move, and I'm still holding up to him.
Sorry, what coin is that?
WKC. I did call it here when on my bull run meme coins. When we were saying we should go and do research, I come here and call numbers of tokens. It is one of them. And he has I was saying that I want us to be among one of the people that will cash one of the meme coin that will fly. I gave fundamental reason for this coin to make a crazy move this bull on that. They have their wallet, and when they are transacting in their wallet, it has a bonding mechanism, and their wallet is directly on Play Store. I gave and even in App Store. I gave a second fundamental reason. That very good, strong community. Then the third reason, they have another app on Play Store called DAO. That's an agreement app that you can use and do agreement. They have like 3 basic functional apps. And so it's not just a meme coin. It has utility too. He has made a move. So congrats to those who, I think Mosinfo buy it and some other people did. I'm still holding it. Let's see whether it will go further. There was another point too I called, still on this space. Gary took. Unfortunately, Unfortunately, I sold that coin back. I swapped that coin. I bought it, and I swapped it to go and buy another token. But just yesterday, that coin made 10x. It made 10x. So for those who did still hold it, congrats to you guys. Congrats. But I didn't hold it. Unfortunately, me that call, I lose out in that one. But there are some other ones I'm still holding. First of V, GM, BTC at 1, 2, 3. I think he has created new all-time high.
BTC is at 128, 12800, 123,800.
Okay, all right. So I'm expecting. I'm watching the candle. I'm watching candle in lower time frame. When Bitcoin creates a new all-time high, okay, 123,800. He has crossed the previous all-time. The volume is still very, very. He has a very high volume. When BTC create all-time high, there is no ceiling at now. Personally, me, I'm watching lower time frame to see some lower rejection to see where reversal point can. As I'm watching it in 5 minutes, you follow it in 5 minutes. It's creating a lower. It's following a trend up. It's beautiful. It's following a trend in 5 minutes. Higher high, higher low in 5 minutes. And if you also check the pattern formation, that is a bearish flag. So the way me I'm following it is that at any point in time, it breaks this bearish flag. It breaks this channel is following in 5 minutes. If you check it quite in 1 minute, you also see it. I'm taking a potential shot. I will try to take a potential shot on it. Then there is also inside trend that is also following, is also happening too. So any of the group, when I see a potential breakout downward, I might hope for possible reversal. But for now, I don't have a basic point of interest for reversal. For now, I'm still skeptical and watching the market to see what it will do. But then, that it is my pattern formation approach for it in 5 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin just did 124,000.
124.
Yeah.
Yes.
You did and rejected immediately. And it's dumping crazily. Massive dump.
It just kiss and dump.
Yeah, just kiss and dump.
That number is an historical number. That number is not just it's an institutional number. GM crypto faith. GM, sorry for my manner that are not great tonight. GM Alice good night. I was so carried away by market. GM, everybody in this speaker and listener section.
GM Bonafide. That's good.
Everything sweet, everything good. Benida Marama. Man, my boy. My bag is pumping. As long as my bag is pumping, I'm happy.
That's good.
Let me go and check another one safe.
But at this point, we want your back to dump.
If it dump, it will eventually pump. The pump
It's a normal thing.
The pump is not. No, I have a trading plan for futures, and I have a trading plan for spot. I will also short in my future wallet. So my future and spot are different. And if it dump, it is my spot that dump. Then futures, I will join you guys and short. I'm expecting altcoin season to round up around October, November. I'll pull out my money. So there's how I can look at the market of October, immediately October. This altcoin season might be very, very short. because very, very soon, very, very soon, we are entering the market. Immediately I just spot that I've swapped all my spot to USDT. We'll enter the play market. Pastor V, how are you doing? Nice, that side, nice the shot.
Everywhere good, brother.
Where my brother now won't change now. I never see him. By now, for long keeping my leg up and down. I never see him 2 days now for space.
Shooting a travel.
Okay. Oh, I'm going to enter in DMX and stuff. What's the problem of Ton? Every coin is pumping. Only Ton is not making. Ton movement is very, very poor. Very poor. By now, Ton should be at $5 to $6, but Ton is very movement is very poor.
No normal thing now. Don't no send anybody, Papa. Probably they might pump ton during October, September, October. During the off season. We're not in the off season yet now, so the main bureau never kick off now. So this one now, just Donald Trump, they show workings for the coin, what they want list. Just the show workings. Hot season never start now. They want to prove to people that they can pump the market. So this one now show workings that they do. May they feel yours in to go and buy their token.
This one that Trump want to sue is filing a suitcase against Powell. That man want Powell to cut interest rate by fire by force.
He want to carry money. He want to send his children, everybody. He want to go and borrow money. He want to finish America. Donald Trump is a criminal. That man.
Yes, now.
That man is a very business. I carry business minded. This enter politics. The man carry.
Don't trust any politician, or even if my papa.
I said the man carry business mindset, enter politics, begin the thief America. He don't everything they sign now, just anything will favor him. The man they turn everything, anything that will favor him. He don't want anybody to block his way. That was why Elon Musk was surprised. Nah, this is not what me and this man planned. Why this man can't the one rob Americans like this? That's why that you can't get problem. You know what they do now? They use his children. They pump all the token. They pump their token like now. All this pump now just make his son want to prove to people that are mocking him that they know they rob people. Say as they talk to the market, Ethereum go pump, say go pump. So once they don't list their coin now, they don't list their token. They will do us like they do us on the meme coin. Now
Are they listing another coin?
Yes, they are listing very soon now. They don't list that one. Don't they for DEX now? It's coming to sex very soon. So that's why he's pumping all these things now. Anybody that take
the Trump
124.
And Melania, are they done?
No, they have that one is abandoned. That one is abandoned already. They have eat the money already. They don't chop that one. They want to chop another one.
My $100 I use and buy Melania. I go and buy Melania when Melania was the next day.
$12. You buy them for $12.
I buy it at $10.
Okay.
And it pumped to whether 12 or 13. I was expecting it to get to the least 20. Before you know it goes to till today. Till today, Melania, my $100 turned. I don't even know whether it's $1 or $2 now.
No, that's $100.
Because I carry my $100 buy another useful coin, but it will be useful for me now. Asha, now one of those things. That is why we are in the business. Rising Phoenix, welcome or request for Mike.
GM Top B, GM Bonified, GM 1, GM's everybody on the speakers and the listeners. God bless all our bags. Bonified, please, you mentioned about TAO, TAO USDT, right? You said something about that. Right. You said something about that coin. TAO USDT. TAO.
Gary. GARI.
No, not Gary, like TAO USDT. You I heard you call that coin.
EAO.
Yeah. TAO. While you were talking about
Okay, the spot, the bull run token.
Yeah.
I call number of token. I will check my. I'm not with my bull run list now. My bull run list is in the office. When I get to the office, I will check.
But that TAO, like I'm in that trade right now. Like I'm looking at that coin to pump up to like 404.
It's very possible.
Yeah, like I'm seeing like it gave a bullish flag here, and there's he has done a liquidity sweep at 387. So I decided to go into that trade, and it's still pumping right now.
I wish I didn't know. I could have invested reasonable money in this WKC. Yeah, WKC is pumping.
That's WikiCat, right?
WikiCat now is pumping. I call it here in this state. I call it here some time ago at 0. I call it at 0.000253. Now it's at 8. Now it's at 873. 200%. So
wait for it to come. Now we'll buy it for the bull and profile.
That one was for bull for spot.
Syrup is still dumping now. Syrup is still that trending. I don't know why syrup. Well, you have not found pattern.
Once this modified this turn, once it breaks out of this 3.6, I think it will really pump because I took that trade yesterday. But
my forex broker does not have turn in their crypto list. I won't find broker that have turn. I want find position and long turn and hold. I want to find a position. I want to find where turn will make a retracement. I want to long it and hold for some time. I don't like exchange. Some exchanges they are, don't know what they call a funding. Some of these funding rate you will not have to hold coin for long. The hold will be plenty money.
So you prefer using broker, right?
I use broker unless it's coin like that. Broker lists most of layer ones and blockchain coin. But if it is those names, I go to features.
Check Derive. Derive has turn. Derive. It has turn. Yeah.
Okay. I have account. I'll go there. Though I don't trust these people, but something is telling me they may pump. Another coin I want to invest in, though it's high already, this Mexi token is at $2. If you check Gate, the Gate token is at $17. Bitgate about 5 or something. But then I think these people psychologically they may like to raise that their token to meet up since it's an exchange coin.
Okay. You mean GT?
No, GT is already high at $17. I'm talking about MX. That is Mexi coin.
Okay, MX.
Mexi coin is still very low.
Yeah.
Mexi coin is still very low at $2. There's a tendency that that coin will definitely hit $10. I'm still seeing, and their supply is their maximum supply is just 10 billion. So possibility for you to hit 10 like.
You are aware that the OKS, one part of their supply today, their max supply now is 21 million. That's why the coin pumped crazily today.
I was just about to talk about that OKX. It pumped crazily to 132 or 130 something.
132.
Yeah. He went up to 142. Bonify, thank you for that Mexi coin that just reminded me of more. If it's at $2, it's just to, even if it's $10, I saw put there and hold.
I won't buy more of that coin. I won't buy more of that token. So man, check. They walk around, they check my wallet. Man, bro, I won't buy more of that coin. So that coin will definitely fly one. Those are coins you can already, that coin have hit about $6 all-time high before. So it may wake up one day and it promise something we can put in our bull run. All right, enough of bull run. I beg. Maybe talk about features. Waiting with the buy and sell daily food. Daily food, they're very, very important. But stop here, I beg. Cite analysts. How many analysts we get here? When we cash reversal point.
Just the position for short. Short will go happen very soon. Bitcoin don't do all-time high. Now dump it will dump very soon. It remains small now. May begin to dump. I think it can even dump any moment from now. Can dump any moment from now.
I'm looking.
My problem is just Ethereum don't want to enter 4.8. Bitcoin will start dumping soon.
Bitcoin if you retest 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is where I'm just watching at lower time frame. But then you enter one, two, three, four, I will short. But then if you keep making high, that means I need to find another short position. A night like this, we suppose not sleep, not to sleep.
Bitcoin is
Let
good.
it not be wake up.
Today is a very important day.
Let it not be wake up tomorrow morning to see Bitcoin at 1:30. Then before 6 o'clock, before 9 o'clock, see it again at 1:15. It can happen. It can just spike up and start descending down.
I'm not sure that's gonna happen. Bitcoin is done. Bitcoin is done with its work. I'm not sure Bitcoin is going anywhere again. Yes, it's 124,800, 8859 or 899. If it's not even done already now. Because this daily candle have done what I expected it to do.
You guys should, people in listener section, Mona request for mic. Request for mic.
This woman, Alice, are you here? Like you're not, your mic is even open. Are you there? Alice? Or is it that she's having a network problem?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Okay.
Oh, good. Well, we came everybody, sir.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Okay.
Please, I'm looking for a lady voice here. I don't too hear, but I find men voice too much. Don't even know you're here. GM.
I'm a good to hear. How are you?
I'm fine.
I got to the longest. Yeah, I got to the longest time. How's the family?
My dear, I don't know. You leave us run now.
I have been so busy with my Web2 business. I traveled out, so I don't like joining on my transit is always a problem to me. So
Are you in UK or what?
what do you say?
Which country you are?
Hello.
I mean,
I can't hear you.
which country? Where do your base?
I'm based in Lagos State, Nigeria.
Lagos.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. But I travel. I'm a musician, so I travel a lot.
Now you never come sing for us here. Why are you like that?
Now I'm the song I sing.
Huh?
Now I'm the song I sing. I said now I'm the song. Song, a party music is what I do. I do for entertainment.
No be party. Give us party start. Yeah, everybody.
Don't worry. Let's enter Puro.
Okay.
Organize, join, get together.
Okay. It's a Budo. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. How is life? How is family?
Well, thank God. Everything is fine.
Okay.
Our family is fine. Thank you, sir.
Thank God.
Listen.
Nice to see you and hear your voice again.
Happy to hear from you too, sir. I'm happy to come back to the space.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. So, guys, let's still wait for the. It's not good to rush the market. Was market open? You have to give it 2 hours or 1 hour for us to see the original market direction. The altcoin index is still showing, is still down. So I wouldn't want what happened yesterday to happen again. So I want to wait for a while so I can see if you keep maintaining this downward momentum. Please, everybody, go and short altcoins. If you keep maintaining it, because this is the triple top that was yesterday, and it was dumping yesterday until Donald Thompson tweeted it changed. So today now it's already dumping. It's already go back to double top and face down. So let's see what happens in the next few hours. Because once Bitcoin now go, if Bitcoin is going to make 124 800 or 700, once it does it, Bitcoin will carry everybody down. So at the moment, Bitcoin is still hanging around 1239, 1234. Once Bitcoin is done, everybody is dumping everybody because USDT is bouncing on the daily. So that was what I wanted Bitcoin to do. Bitcoin have done it already. So at the moment, I think from the setup on the daily, it's looking nice for the daily already. So, but that's why I said 124. That 124 400 was nice movement for those who want to short. But even if you get 120, 123, 124, let's still wait for 2 hours time to see. But for me, Bitcoin have done what I wanted to do this morning. Unless I want to do more again. But the chart is already looking nice based on the daily closure candle. So I've done it already. So let's just be patient a little before we see the final move of the day. But for me, who have not short or who have not entered the market, just if you didn't enter 124 400, wait again. Might go again and do 124 700, 124 800. That area, I'm expecting a dump from that side because Bitcoin he always like to dump from 5 6 something, 5 8 something, 8 9 something. Like to dump from there. You always go close to the next high and reject. So let's see what happens if the rejection is coming from there. But we just know that Bitcoin has made a new high. If he's dumping now, it's going to crash all the altcoin. Once he's dumping right now, he's going to deal with everyone because of the highs, the new highs he made. He's going to crash every one of them badly. And they have also sent the dominance up a little this morning. So, but let's see how it goes in the next 1 hour. Everywhere will show. If we are dumping, we're going to see it. But there's so many rejections we are seeing in the market right now. So if you want to short, start looking for those coins that are pumped. Don't short those ones that do not pump. Look for those that pump already. Likes of Seal, likes of people know those ones that pump. Chainlink, XRP, Solana. Don't short the ones that do not pump. Short the ones that pump. Those ones will give you more money than those ones that do not pump. Be like say the thing don't they open a small. Ready, don't they show everywhere. So altcoin is looking bearish from the altcoin chart. So, but let's keep watching. Let me see if here and grid index. $75. We are in the grid. If market pump today, that means we're going to enter extreme grid today. Because this man is showing 68. TMC is showing 68. Which definitely I know that if we go higher today again, it will show extreme grid. But at the moment we are in the grid part of the market. So in case market wants to go down today, if you want to short Hyperliquid, short Chainlink, short Cardano, in case. Short SU. Short BGB. Don't short pepper. Don't short ENA. ENA did not pump yesterday. Short MNT. Short NIA. Short APT. Short ARB. Short C. Short ING. Short OP. Short arrow. Short ray. RAY. The market is beginning to dump small from what I'm seeing here. Somehow, because Bitcoin is going to take them down small. But let's still be patient. For those who are not there yet, just be patient till 1 hour. Let the market go 1 hour, open, or 2 hours. Let's see. Let's confirm that this let's confirm that altcoin index did not change. Bitcoin 123,600. Person when enter 124,400, and now you don't get profit too. Also, short fat coin. If you are going down today, don't play with fat coin. Short fat coin. Oh God. Jamito, my man, it's been a while. Bonafide, like I said, don't sleep. Jamito, where have you been? I've not seen, I think 2 days now. I've not heard your voice.
I don't miss you, Taya. Boss, I don't miss you, Taya. Tonfi, how are you doing, sir?
Good. Where have you been? What happened to you?
Boss, I was liquidated. Like that didn't stop me, but boss, I've been looking for this space. Like, see, this is not making sense for us now. But I pray that we'll get over it and we'll be fine.
Surely.
Yes. I know that it's not easy, but it's just a general something. See, boss, I've been looking. This thing, we need this thing, but I don't know whether are we censored? Is somebody listening to us? I was trying to talk to Uchenna the other day. I don't know whether somebody was in the space. The thing was not really, really good for me to talk that night, and I was stammering. I don't know whether somebody used to come listen to us and do the opposite side. See, but Tovi, what you do is good. I am a living testimony. I can look at that today and I say, yes, this is what is going on. But see, manipulation is too much. I will not. Nobody should blame anybody for that one. But see, me, I will not be living fine because I don't need a space. I have to be sincere. Because the space, I just put the earpod on my ear. I go to work because I have a 2 job. I go to work and I'll be listening. And I'll be getting stuff. When I go to the house, I get it together. But all these things have been stopped, and there's no way we. God, like even when I was crying in my own pain, there's nowhere to go to again. It was so bad for
the
me.
space was on yesterday.
Yes, it was on in the morning. Anytime I come, you host space in the morning around this time that we are now. Then I won't be awake to join, and you do your analysis and go. So it was so stressful for me. But today I said no, I have to be awake.
You know what happens is that the daytime space, I find out that most people, when they come to the daytime, you will be speaking alone. They'll just turn to listeners. So and that's why I always do it in the morning. When I do my analysis in the morning, like now I'm on the video space. Once I'm done with my analysis, I can shut down the video space. And if no one wants to speak here, I shut down and everybody can sleep. So the daytime, yesterday I tried to come up after I came back from hospital. I took medicine. The medicine was beating me like they gave me a different medicine. So this one is a new one. I started sleeping like I don't know if it's in around 7 o'clock or 8. I tried to open space later. No way. Like the sleep was, I think this man was on that space. This Web3 somebody, Web3 engineer was on that space there where I opened later. That time Bitcoin was pumping. I opened, but the sleep no be here. So I have to call this thing because I might even open this. I won't even know what I'm saying. Because this bone medicine it comes like
You talk about the medicine that I used to give you there, and you won't get yourself because of the strength of the medicine. And I am not even a bad fan of the medicine that I'm giving to you because you really need to heal. But my problem is that this is supposed not to
to be happening right now because this is the right time. We really need to make a financial decision for ourselves because I think that guys we really want to convince and confuse a lot of people that have been on this space. So and Ovi and co-host and analysts, we see different angles from these things, and they can talk personally because I know there's a way you guys talk personally. So and come up with a kind of conclusion that now both of you now come to conclusion to the community. This is what we are looking at right now. But the thing is that it happened to the extent that that long space is not heard anymore because of your health challenges.
No, actually was crypto chemistry.
To make money, but Tovi, just allow me, please. Don't be offended. For us to make money in this space, even the devil will not stop it. I'm serious about this. I know what I'm saying. He cannot stop it. He can take everything we had, but he cannot take our life. So we will come back and we'll come back in a trend. And if X is monitored, we go private. So if X is monitored, we go private, and this money we're going to make it. Yes, because if we miss out in this opportunity that is coming now, who knows when it will come again? This pump and dump, which you've been talking about for 4 years, which will continue through. This pump and dump will be making money, and there's a lot of forces restricting us, which don't have that liquidity to make this money. Even people that have the liquidity is losing a lot of money. Look at the owner of BitMEX. BitMEX, is it BitMEX? He sold what is it called? It's Ethereum to buy back again higher. So for me, for Stovey, what you've done, you are not going to regret whatever thing you've done. Rather, you will gain from it. If people that have conscience still is in this arena, they will never regret about knowing chat. It's only chats and money will drive me in. Give me chats and give me money. Don't worry, I will sell. So forget about the negativity and everything that have been coming. It will definitely. Nothing that is good will come. I don't think that 100 people will make money. No, it's only few people that will make it. So I'm locked in. Definitely, we are here, and we are going to. If X is being monitored, because sometimes when trade is being called here, forget what I'm saying now. I might be saying the wrong thing, but whenever sometimes trade is being called here, it will go opposite. I don't know why. But if I take trade personally, it will go no more. Why? Because it's being called on X. Is somebody monitoring us? Or what's happening?
Jimito, GM, Mr. Tovi and Bonafide. Jimito, sorry I had to jump for your comment. Because I don't laugh, I don't. Sorry, it's not as if I'm laughing at you. But you see where you are right now, right? I've been there. In fact, I was there yesterday. Out of the pain of, missing
Okay. Baby girl in the house.
Hey, Jebito, let me talk. Nobody is monitoring you. How much of your money will make that kind of impact? How much we get for this?
No. But Lady B, see.
Nobody is monitoring you.
I understand you.
Let me tell you what I feel.
Yeah. That's one thing I used to say. This is a global market. How would they be monitoring only small community like
Only
this?
tiny, small amount of us because of our own highest. How much person will put for all those coins? So if we gather everybody,
I don't know. I don't know that you're thinking like I was thinking. No, I don't know.
Nobody is monitoring you, bro. Let me tell you what's going on. The truth of the matter is that you are losing money now. It's the same way they feel when you make money. They don't want you to make money. You too, you want to make money from them. It's simple now. Why do you want to make money from them? Why didn't you go and do your Web2 job? Why didn't you go and do something else? You say, won't make money from them now. Then you too won't collect from your hand. It's just that right now they are winning at their game. It's that simple. There's nothing that is happening in the market that is wrong, to be honest. The way the market is going on right now is the way it's supposed to go. It's a jungle. It's not for the faint-hearted. So it now depends on you to know how to grab from the jungle. That's what's happening. So if you know drag, then
you want me to go back. I don't go back.
Well, I'm true now. But wait till they happen with that. So if you feel,
I'm not going to go back.
continue your
hustle. For this community, I'm not going to go back. See,
as for monitoring you, nobody's monitoring you. You don't get the kind of money where they'll say monitoring you. We don't $4 million, $5 million for the market. I think I'll strike them out.
But Caesar need that your $1.
He need that, but your $1 now, he just stay on the road. Not be say that they find out. They are on the road. They are 10 minutes. If they don't collect their
one thing I like is your anticipation and your strength in this market by telling me to calm down first, and I really like this your advice right now, because that thing is nothing to the market, because it's a global market. It's a very big market. So. And that is the reason why that is what formed my strength. That is what formed my strength, because they shouldn't be going for $1 while they have $20 billion going there in the market. So I really love this community. If you've been following my type of person, I want this thing to continue to the extent that we will make money. Even somebody that have $10 can make big money out of this market. Rising. I'm serious about this. So that day that we're gonna do that get together, it's not going to be something small people are coming to do. And even if somebody in our midst is doing wedding, or somebody is getting married, or somebody will be getting married for, then we'll start looking for money. Traders. For what? We need liquidity. We have to get that liquidity now, so that will be made. And see, you can trade wrong coins. If you get liquidity, it will not get against you. It will get against you, but because you get liquidity, it will come to your entry and you get your money back. So, my dear was Tovi, Rising Phoenix, and Bonafide. I say Bonafide. I see other people in the studio. I just want all of us, including, because I'm learning, that we put heads together and make this thing work. Let's forget about it. Me, I'm not thinking about the losses again. I'm thinking about the way forward. For anybody listening, because I was viewing all the charts we used to make. Everything was just no more the way we analyzed it before. What happened? We entered maybe in the wrong side, or we were impatient to listen to Pastor V for his analysis, and we think we knew it and we go in. For me, that is what happened to my own account. Nothing else, because I was not patient enough. For me now, I get big heart now. Very big heart from the one I got before. I made a lot of money from future trading. I lost it back to the market. But I'm not crying. You know why?
Jamito, can I come in?
Come in.
All right. I want to first of all sympathize for what happened. If you trade this market, by God's grace, I think December will make me 8 years trading this market. There's one thing about
boss bonafide. Anywhere I hear your voice now, you that boss. You not be boss.
No, I'm not a boss. I'm saying, so I'm just a human being.
See, make I tell you the truth. Make I tell you, experience is the best data. Anybody,
guys, the altcoin index, the charts have turned again. So definitely they are going to pump the market again. So they have turned it again from downward to upward like they did yesterday. So definitely the market is going to pump again. So be careful.
Okay, boss. Jamiko, what you're experiencing is just a normal thing that happens in the market. Markets do present us. Today I was in forex space. I make this statement that what we are trading, traders fail to remember that this game is a probability game. It's not a certainty game. There is no node of strategy that perfectly suits the either other side node. What that means that no matter the strategy we have, strategy is subject to change and subject to market dynamics. So since we understand this, it therefore means that the strategy we have that is good have percentage of win. And when you have percentage of win, it therefore means that there are also percentage of loss. And what makes us to be afloat and win for good time is that we target a high risk to reward ratio. And when this happens, when we target this, we'll keep being afloat. But despite being that, traders also had in mind that they will have losing streak. A losing streak. There is a period that will come. There are some traders that will be in losing streak straight 2 months. Professional traders know that when they face losing streak in their strategy, they will have losses back to back. Sometimes lost profit. When that month is, that is the market condition has done and come. Where what that works for them is no longer that edition. And that market condition will still turn back. After that month, you see them winning from making wins back to back. There was a time I used to call trades. I would call 5 trades straight, no loss. And a time also come, I will call trade. This one lost, the other one lost. Now, you need to open your heart to embrace it.
how do you embrace it? Never bring critical money to trading. In short, it look as if, from my experience, sorry, joke aside, anytime anybody bring critical money to market don't favor that. I don't know whether village people used to follow that. If you bring your wedding money, want to do your wedding like next month, and this money keep for wedding, there is no money you keep again to supersede that month, and you bring to trade. In short, even if that trade was to go well for you, most time it goes bad. So just accept it. That this time of loss that you face will pass. See it as a school fee you pay to learn. And the time of profit will come. When the time of profit comes, you will never even remember loss again. Now, it's always very difficult for traders that you blow account today. You blow account in forex, we call blowing account. In futures, we call liquidation. It's very difficult that you blow accounts today and tomorrow you fund back and trade. But do you know what happens? If you blow accounts today, if you have a good trading agent, professional trader, I don't know what that is. If you blow account today and fund back tomorrow, that tomorrow trade may be the one that will recover the one of yesterday and make you afloat. But what most traders do is they blow accounts, they will go and use that, and the shock is natural. The shock, your confidence will be weak and you'll be bittered. That bitterness will make you to relax back. And before, it may take you like a week or so to come back to the market. And sometimes when you take a week or two to come back to the market, the first trade you take may still be lost again. So you just prepare your mind that if you have 3 losses, this is what I said in this space this morning. If you have 3 losses straight, prepare your mind that the next trade that you're about to take might likely profit. If you have 3 to 4, 5 profit, in short 5 profit, 3 straight, prepare your mind, write in your calendar that the next trade you are about to take might be lost. So now, approach it. First 5 trade, profit straight, reduce risks. Reduce risks. If you used to use 20x leverage, in short, transfer the whole fund that your futures account to spot wallet and reduce it again, reduce risks, so that the loss will come and make a lower risk. When you lose, you can fund back and continue. So when you keep your psychology in a proper perspective, you'll be able to embrace the losses and be able to stay in the market. But if you allow loss to dramatize, you leave the market and probably find it hard to come back. So just endure it. Believe me.
Okay,
the profit that will come.
Okay, sir. But there's some. Don't be offended. Yeah. Okay. I am in Web 2 and I'm in Web 3, and I am building my I'm trying to be on Web 3 because Web 3 is your strength. Web 3 is the future. Even in Web 2, I work for somebody. Someone is owing me almost 1.5 million today. Never pay. He don't want to pay. Even try to cut the SS from because he has the strength. So, should I go and kill him? No. Should I go and strangle him? No. If I do that, then I can be imprisoned for years because I don't have the strength to go for it. It is the same thing to all these exchanges that we do business with. So if I lose, I'm not losing because somebody caught the trade. I'm losing because I failed to do the right thing that I'm supposed to do before taking that trade. And if I lose, I'm losing because I took that trade, not because somebody caught the trade. That is my own side. I've made money in Web3 because I'm the type that I don't sleep just like that because I am just new in this space. So I'm trying to learn all the tactics that you guys that have been here have been using to get it all together. It's not been easy. If it is easy for you, then it's a lie. For me, it's not been easy for you to be navigating sleepless nights and all these things. So all these things has been a strong indication that you have to have the mind of a lion. So for me, I'm not afraid of loss, but I'm very, very very optimistic that profit is bigger than the loss that I've made in this space. That is my own.
Yeah. There is something I posted in the Jumbotron.
I've seen it. I saw it.
This man is we call him in forex space the most aggressive trader. This is the most aggressive, the most known aggressive trader in Nigeria. I was on space one day, and he really used to come to space. He comes to space once in a while, and he was asking us questions. He was telling us to ask questions. So I told him that once upon a time I was aggressive. I was an aggressive trader like him, but since I went to sell and come back, and then I don't like going aggressive again. The man said he's an aggressive trader. That at 20, he went to prison. I forget the date. That he said he went to prison because of trading. And after coming out from prison, immediately coming out from prison, he sold the only land he has and funded account and went aggressive. Now he went aggressive and the trade went very well for him. Now he managed money he managed account for politicians and still go aggressive. In less than 3 months, he made millions of naira and took 120 million and go back to the prison and said they should release. He said they should release about 100 and something people at the prison. Now, why do I relate this story of this man? This man, forex trading, they took him to prison. He lost people's money, and those people take him to court and bring SF EFCC, and they landed him in prison. He immediately served in prison and finished. So the less available land he has and funded accounts, still went aggressive. And the aggressiveness favored him. He still went back immediately and started collecting investors' money and politicians, fund accounts, and still went aggressive. And now, as he said the car he drove a car of 200 million. He used to buy houses, different places, everywhere. A lot of places are cheap. He has money. He has money. He's rich. But he will tell you, now look at this, the 3 hours ago he posted. He lost how many dollars did you see there? $5,000.
Even the other guy, the little trader you brought the other time, he said he was drawn down for something thousand. Jordan, like Jordan, you see trader Nabi, somebody like that you brought on the space. You're one of your friends.
Juicy. I don't know.
He was talking that he was like, I mean, the trader, I mean, draw down of something thousand K. Well, I'm okay, I'm fine.
But it's something 1,000 K is small. See,
for them now.
FX Lion used to be in drawdown of. FX Lion used to trade me close to $1 million account, and FX Lion can be in drawdown of $400 to $500,000, and he will still hold a trade. Look at his loss.
It happened to one of my friends. He long thought 3.9. Thought went down to 3.5, 3.4. He left all that trades on loss. All WLD and other ones. He left all that and hold that thought. Why did he do that? Because he told me that he really need to leave other trades because thought would come back. See, he told me his profit today was very, very marvelous.
So the lesson here is traders don't have money. Our money is in the market. If we lost our money inside to the market, we'll definitely get our money back of the market. Don't allow loss to take you out of the market. When loss take you out of the market, that means you have actually lose the market. Because if you leave the market for 2 months, the market will leave you for 4 months. If you leave the market for 1 year, the market will leave you. So that is why we preach. Risk management. If you are an aggressive trader like me, I still go aggressive like today to divide your fund. If you have $100, don't take the whole $100 and go to trade. Divide it into 10. Use $10 and go aggressive. When it burn, bring another one and burn. You cannot burn straight $100 10 times. You cannot be unlucky 10 times. If you're unlucky 10 times, that means you don't know what trading is about. You don't know how to trade. Go and learn how to trade first. If you learn how to trade and know how to trade, you will definitely succeed in the market. JM, thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I have to say this confession. It's an open confession. With you, what has been coming to this platform, I have been able to raise money. I won't say it's a lie. I devised a means that I use in trading. But my problem was this combining of Web 2 and Web 3 together. And if you are trading and you're in Web 2, your mind will be skipping. That is just normal thing. So, and when you drop your phone, I want to do it. I don't lose when I'm in the house. I lose whenever I am at work. So, it's not like what I learned is a waste. It's never a waste. I can come to trading floor and give analysis, and sometimes people will take it, sometimes people will never not take it, but my trade goes the way according to what Tovi say, and sometimes I look at all my all these conferences, and it was for me. I'll say this is where it is going, and after every day, it may take time for it to work out. So, if this platform waits for me, it is a plus 100%. 100%. It is 100% plus for me. Because with my $1, I can turn something. And this is just because I've lost money well for DGen, because I started from DGen to future trading, which I don't know anything about. So I went back to DGen just a couple of days with just a day. I was able to turn $2 to around $50. just one trade, and I left. Why? I don't want to go there because that is not my calling. But why I'm not trading since, because I'm not consistent, and this vibe that brings us together it's not driving me, like, and Tovi is not feeling so well to hold space back to back as he used to hold it. And if you think that you're not doing a good job, it's a lie. It's a very big lie. The understanding that comes between you guys that is there for us is a very big something. I'm not saying this because you gave me the mic. I'm saying this thing because of there may be other people that is listening to us now. There's a big, very, very big understanding that comes that, oh, this is what I'm seeing. Because if you not take his laptop, you hear the sound. He's checking it. Say, okay, it's true. I will say true. I mean, when he lose, you tell you I lost. It's more like this is being one-sided somehow, that nobody is not in the crew. So I'm just giving myself this advice now. You gave me. I'm giving it to myself now, but I'm listening to myself at the same time. James lost a lot of things, but he's whining every day of his life. And that will make me that I'm going to make more money, more than what I made before. See, Bonafide, if you see the money that I made, like small money that I made, you'll be surprised. If I calculate them for you, you no go believe them. I'm not lying because of the teaching that came from this platform. But I'm not afraid because if I lose money today, he have to culture me very, very well and bring me up. Quarrel to me, shout at me, tell me where I did wrong. And that is what I want to be listening to, so that I can be able to take profit. Because most of our traders don't take profit. We think it is going to the moon. Rather, it is going to the hell. Sometimes we think it is going to the hell, it is going to the moon. That's why we need to pay more attention to what you people teach us almost every day with your candles. Not that you cannot make money out of this space, but you sacrifice your life for this. So, me, I don't feel like I've lost. I've never lost anything. Even last 2 days, I saw everywhere pumping. All the coins was pumping. I was not in hurry to enter any market. Even though I have small account to enter, but I was not in a hurry to enter. I said, let me wait. Let me see what is going on. The market is there. I can make my money any day I enter. So, with all these things that you guys have been trying for us, nobody should go out of this market empty-handed. I'm not going, no. Anybody that decides to go out, it is left for the person, no. Me, I'm not going, no. With my $10, I can make 10,000. I'm very, very sure. So, that's what I want to say. And I appreciate you. Appreciate Boss Tovi for giving us this space. And I pray that everything you lost will come back full. And everything that anyone have ever lost will come back in full. I pray for more strength and more growth. And I pray for my own wallet too, that it will grow from lower to higher. So I want to listen, and I will be at the background. Thank you, sir. Thanks for being there for us.
All right, Jamil too. And Topic, please, you may pass the course to Rising Phoenix. Like sleep on the enter my eyes with you.
Why you allow him pass it to who he wants to pass? Now, why you mention name? Try to pass it to my Rising Phoenix. I don't understand.
I know you can do it better. I trust your capacity.
No, don't do that. If you are tired, just say it. Don't be suggesting. Don't know if me too are tired.
I said that sleep have started entering my eyes.
I should not mention. I just say that sleep is catching you, not that they should pass it to Rising Phoenix or something. Not cool now. I'm not saying it's not a problem if it's passed to me, but I don't think you should mention people's name like that, honestly. I mean, especially for this. It could be that I want to read it, I want to sleep as well. You can actually just say you are sleeping. Nobody will hold you. You know. Thank you.
Okay. I know you as one of our calls, so that's why I've not seen a capable person that I say, okay, that can handle it. I'm used to handle it. That's why I mention you directly.
Well, you are right. Rise, why the object now? Calm down. Don't rise too much. Just rise it.
Jamito, please, can you stop, please? Please,
Okay.
Just stop.
Okay.
All right, don't worry. Let me hold my goals.
Stay here till daybreak.
No, I'm not gonna stay till daybreak. You are complaining about the two job. My job, my the two job is very intensive throughout. I'll be working throughout the day. I need a sleep.
What I see in the market, I beg, brief us. Make we understand.
I've dropped my analysis already. I've called my QI for short. That
I saw this guy since yesterday. The guy they behave WLD. The guy they behave. I don't understand.
I'm shorting BTC at 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm watching for it to retrace down to 1, 2, 3, 4. If the price come down to that zone, let me get it exactly where. Okay, it's already. Okay, yes, price is already coming there. There is a bearish flag. Okay, you see that channel I call is where you come and respect it. If you follow it in 5 minutes, you see it. In short, that price zone I called is where it is just retrace back from 1-4 and test it. If it break this channel down, if it break this channel and come down exactly at 1-4 and situated down there, then that means the sell setup, the sell is possible. So, but it's still respecting that channel in 5 minutes. So if it break out of that channel, that means you will definitely come back to test 1, 2, 2. The next retest, the major retest is 1-2-2-2-6-5. But that retest will happen after the breakout of them. If he has not break out there,
I cannot enter the market. So that is just that. If BTC did not break that zone, I won't enter the market unless it break that channel. That's when I will short.
Are you trading a retest or are you trading a trending market so that we the listener can really get?
I learn and I have a lot of strategy. In my journey, I have learned.
That one thing, nobody can argue that one, yeah.
What I trade is big bang secret. I trade structure. I trade structure with macro or fundamental. So basically, that is what. So market structure is the market. What market presents is what I do. So when I look at the candles, I know the candle movement. I know the candle interpretation. So based on patterns and the rest. So what the market tells me is what I do. And I follow it through. So I cannot tell you I trade this. I trade retests. Retest is inside structure. If I see retest and I want to trade, I will trade. If I see liquidity, there are a lot of. If I see a Helicobacter strategy, I will still trade. If I see Elliott wave, if I see trend, I want to. So, but basically, I have what I know as my A+ setup. If I see my A+ setup, I don't miss. I better hit stop loss than miss my A+ setup. So that is, I trade big bang secret. That is what I trade. That is the basic. If you check my timeline, what I basically pronounce I'm trading a big bang.
Bang secret, yeah. If you are big bang secret, one day go leak up for us, I bet. Thank you, sir. Yeah. That's why we are here now.
Big bang secret is not happening now. Big bang secret is very simple. I rich jockey, mute your mic and speak. It's an open mic discussion.
Oh, GM Bonafide. GM Rising Phoenix. GM Janiso, my man. I greet you, both.
I greet you, sir.
Hold on, sir. GM Rising Phoenix. GM Boosted himself. I greet all of you. And all the amazing speakers and listeners in the house. I greet everybody. Good morning, GM. A quick one, Bonafide. You know that was a token you called for the community the other time that you say we should watch out for, and that token has been pumping. So I just threw $10 on that token. That was Ricky Cat, and that my $10 gave me almost $40. So I don't know. That in fact.
I just mentioned it now. I just repeated it now. Anybody who puts if you put $100 in that token now, your $100 will be $400 now. You put $5, your $5 would be close to $20 now.
In fact, I don't know that crypto $10 can turn to $40. I'm just seeing it I'm experiencing it for the first time.
See, there is a token. There is a token. I don't like all token without me not buying it. The token that I wanted to call that day. The only reason why I did not call that token was that I did not buy it that day. And that token is not yet listed in exchange. You buy it on DEX, on PancakeSwap. But that token is an old token that was created. It's not just a token, it's a blockchain coin. And it was created in 2021. Hi.
So, but Bonafide.
That token, I just checked that token now. That token has scaled about 2 zeros.
Wow.
That is more than 1,000 to 2,000%.
Wow, wow,
Exactly.
wow.
If we just put $2 inside it, if we did $2 inside, just $2 will give you $500.
Wow, wow, wow.
That is the power of. I mean, guys, I want to catch a point in this trade that will be able to do 3 zeros, and it's very possible.
Of course, of course, of course.
Very, very, very possible.
So, what I wanted to know is it that this week is going to continue pumping like this? Because one bad thing about a trader, whether you are a swing trader, a spot trader, whatever kind of trader you are, is to see profit and you don't take it. So for me, I'm just still watching it because a lot of hype on this wiki card. People are still saying it's going to the moon. So I don't know if I should take profit or I should still be watching it because the thing keeps pumping. So I don't know if you can see, look at it.
They don't used to give anybody financial advice. What you are telling me now is to give advice. My job.
No.
Take profit, my brother. Take profit.
No, what I want to know what I want to know I can take.
That's the thing that you are doing